This is attempt number 1. Owning a great tan can be an empowering thing. Whether you spend hours in the sun or minutes in a tanning bed, seeing your skin glow that radiant shade makes it all seem worth it. Well, over time, we know the sun and artificial tanning can cause signs of damage and aging, but what are the true costs of enjoying a new golden tan? Working in aesthetics, I've seen lots of skin conditions, and this has taught me new ways to solve these problems for others. However, just by taking a few small steps yourself, you could prevent the problems the sun can induce upon the skin. In the following speech, I will present 3 different points that reflect the true effects of artificial tanning, prolonged sun exposure, as well as how to prevent further damage. In previous years, we didn't always know that tanning was bad for us, and until scientists were able later to link it to cancer, companies had promoting tanning beds as unharmful. When it comes to indoor tanning, many individuals understand the negative effects of these methods. However, that wasn't always publicly promoted. In an article titled "The Benefits and Risks of Ultraviolet Tanning and Its Alternatives" by Lori A. Crane, Robert P. Delavale, and Raj K. Samani, all elaborate on perceived positive outcomes, highlighted by the Indoor Tanning Association. Claims such as increased energy, elevated mood had actually motivated more individuals to tan, as they felt having a tan improved their appearance. Another claim was having a base tan could prevent sunburn or infection, which of course we know is absolutely untrue. Next, we will take a look at the connection between cancer and tanning. Since the connection had been made in regard to the possible damages from prolonged exposure, multiple types of medical conditions had began to show their links as well. The skin is the biggest organ in the body and has the highest incident rate over any other human malignancy. In the article "Indoor UV Tanning and Skin Cancer" by Joshua M. Schulman and David E. Fisher, highlights a 2002 study which found that all forms of tanning significantly increased the risk of developing squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, as well as melanoma. UV radiation plays a major role in DNA damage as well, caused by increasing carcinogenic potential through initiating mutations in the genome and contributing to the p53 function. So ultimately, DNA damage occurs in the tanning pathway. It may seem like I'm opposing the wonders of having a great tan, but mostly I want to remind everyone that there's small things that we can do day to day in order to protect ourselves from the harmful rays of the sun. The Centers of Disease Control and Prevention claim that individuals who begin tanning during adolescence or early adulthood inherit an increased risk of melanoma. In another article, by the American Cancer Society, writer Stacy Simon uses her article, "The Ugly Truth About Indoor Tanning," to advocate for skin cancer prevention. With over 3.5 million cases of skin cancer diagnosed yearly, it's important to try and protect ourselves from becoming another statistic. Avoiding tanning beds and sun lamps will help decrease long-term damage, and using sunscreen on a daily basis can also prevent UV ray damage. Now, with this knowledge ranging over sun exposure, now you may choose to act. In defense is ultimately up to you. I hope this information has provided you with a better understanding of the medical complications, misconceptions of tanning, as well as the methods to prevent overexposures. Do you see that out there? The strange, unfamiliar light? It's called the sun. Let's go get us some. Nora Roberts. Thank you.